This is the second video for the TG Fix application series. In this video, we will be diving into the versatility of TG Fix size B for difficult to secure areas. TG Fix is a large mesh highly elastic tubular net bandage made of run-proof material that prevents the mesh from tearing. It is so versatile, it can be cut where it is needed. It is flexible and fits all body contours without bunching, making it more comfortable to wear. TG Fix size B is versatile. Due to its adjustable lengths and sizes, it works well for both large and small extremities. TG Fix size B is suited for nearly all wound locations, particularly near the joints. If a wound is located on or near the joints such as knee, elbow, and ankle, because repeated bending and straightening can pull at the wound edges, preventing them from closing properly. In more severe cases, abrupt or forceful movements can lead to dehiscence, a serious complication where a wound reopens. That's why it is important to use a dressing that will support flexibility and movement while ensuring the dressing is secured. Let us run through the step-by-step guide in applying TG Fix size B on the difficult areas of the body, specifically elbow and knees. Step 1. Cut off approximately 20 to 25 centimeters of TG Fix, or depending on the size of the wound. Step 2. Stretch TG Fix to its maximum. Step 3. Pull it over the arm or legs. And you are done bandaging and affixing the dressing. On this section, we will now show you the actual patient application guide of TG Fix size B. TG Fix size B for ankle. You'll need TG Fix size B, scissors, and your dressing of choice. In this case, we are using Suprasorb P Sensitive. Another option is to fold the TG Fix for an added compression. TG Fix size B for hand. TG Fix size B for elbow. Ensure mobility is not restricted and we are done. TG Fix is an easy and effective way to fixate your dressings or bandages. Pictograms are also included in the box. Here is the TG Fix size selection framework for your reference. You can also subscribe to our YouTube and social media channels so you'll be updated for the next TG Fix application series.